Hello guys, I hope you're all well. I have already done an intro to this video, but in the intro I said that I was going to be cleaning the whole house, and I've actually run out of time, and I don't want to I'm basically going off to the gym and I don't want to come back and then have to finish off when I've got the kids here. So this video is going to be cleaning the bedrooms, office, and like my ensuite and the boys' bathroom. I think it's fine to make that a video, but yeah, it's Friday and I like to get all that stuff done while the boys are at nursery and school, ready for the weekend. So I've done a food shop this morning, I've put a load of washing out, and yeah, it just means I can kind of relax a bit over the weekend now, although at some point over the weekend I need to do the kitchen, living room and downstairs toilet, so that'll probably be my next video. But yes, I hope you enjoy it. I've used all Co products, these beauties here, and I've actually got a giveaway over on my Instagram, so I'm going to try and get this live tonight, which is Friday night, and the giveaway ends on Sunday night. So if you follow me, it's at Tropic by Jessica Avey. I'll leave a link to it below, and have a look for the post that's got a picture of the Co cleaning stuff in. And basically anyone that makes an order by the end of the month through me, I'll put your names into a hat and one person will win a big Co cleaning bundle. So you'll get 4 litres of the Co solution, you'll get a Co atomizer like this, you'll get, I think it's 1 blue bathroom cloth with a little scrubby bit, 2 of the green ones. So the bathroom one is the blue, the green one's all purpose, the white one is for windows and mirrors. You also get a spray mop, the mop like cloth things and stuff. It's like a huge bundle. And I'll also put a Tropic signature oil scent in there because Co doesn't have a scent. If you don't know about Co, it's amazing. Go and check out my other video, which is like an oven cleaning video, and I used Co and the results are just incredible. But it uses green plant power. It's like an eco-friendly, all-natural cleaning solution, but it doesn't have a scent, so I like to put my Tropic signature oil in. Anyway, you could win all of that if you're looking to make a Tropic order. It doesn't matter how big or small as long as it's through me. But yes, this is the video. Bedrooms and bathrooms cleaned, all using the Co cleaning solution. I hope you like it. If you do, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I've got to go to the gym. The diamond sponge with the Co cleaning solution on lime scale on shower doors is amazing.